If you are looking for a projector system for home, this may be the one that you're looking for. Now, this one is specifically for the screen. You will need to get a projector to go with it. And a big thank you for the team for very kindly sending it out to us to try out in our garden to see how we liked it. And it was very impressive. It is a very big projector system, and it will work with any standard projector. Now, it does come in a kit in a bag, so you can put it together yourself. You do get it's kind of basically an arch system, so it's a big frame, and on that frame you would put on there the curtain, which does come with the kit. It does come in a bag. All the parts are very clearly labelled up. It comes together super fast. I'd say once you've done it once, you know what to do. It'll take you maybe 5 to 10 minutes to put up next time you want to use it. Perfect for outdoor movie nights and just having a really nice entertaining time out there to watch movies and sports and all those lovely things. It is a big frame, so you clip all the parts together and you attach the screen and you pop it up there and add your projector to it to watch and enjoy your shows as well. I do recommend that you use the sandbag option, which does come with it. So it does come with bags for that, just to give that extra stability if you do get a sudden gust of wind, to keep it all nice and stable. Overall, really impressed with the quality of the screen. It felt really good. And if it does get messy, you can obviously just wash that. And also, I think it came together really, really fast as well. Thank you so much again for the team for very kindly sending it out to us. We really do appreciate it. We're looking forward to having many lovely movie nights ahead of us.